We're Melbourne Playback Theatre and we facilitate curated workshops for a whole range of different organisations. Over the last 35 years or so, we have facilitated workshops for hundreds of organisations across the corporate, government, not-for-profit and education sectors. Mostly we do workshops that are in interpersonal skills or team dynamic, teamwork skills. It might be communication and presentation skills or leadership skills, culture change, or teamwork and collaboration or storytelling. There's so many different ways that we work with different organisations. One example is last year we were working with engineers at an infrastructure company, very heavy in the technical expertise, but as leaders they identified that they needed to work on their soft skills a little more. So for that group, we really worked with them on how they were influencing others, either through formal presentation skills, but also in face-to-face and informal conversations. When we've worked with executive teams or even middle managers, there's often a piece of feedback that comes back to us from their staff that they have actually seen a change in the way that their leaders are coming across. The main difference with the Melbourne Playback workshop, we're heavily based in theory, so we use the theories of improvisation, of organisational dynamics, but we do it through practical exercises. You know, a lot of workshops are so heavy based in theory that you come away not quite knowing how it applies, but at least with the Melbourne Playback workshop, you come away with it actually an embodied experience that you can reflect on and really apply to your day-to-day work experience. The length of the workshop can range from, a 3-hour workshop, it might be a 1 or a 2-day workshop, and then there are some clients that want to run a program over a longer period of time, over 6 to 12 months. So it really does depend on the needs of the organisation that we're working with. One of the best ways to work with Melbourne Playback is by combining a performance with a workshop and even a role play session as well. So that you've got an opportunity to get a group to reflect on the culture and some of the big themes through a performance, and in a workshop really put into practice some of the skills. So you put those elements together and it can create a little bit of extra magic.